Kim Lindsay. I'm the Secondary Curriculum Coordinator for Cullman County Schools, and one of my jobs is to provide opportunities for our students to be exposed to computer science. This year we focused on our elementary schools, so we wrote a grant through AMSTI, and we were fortunate to receive enough funds to purchase the CodeX through Firia Labs. We were placing 17 of the CodeX devices at each of our elementary schools to build the foundation before they're entering middle schools, will just help their skills be stronger when they get there, and they'll be more prepared. And hopefully they'll want to pursue careers in computer science when they graduate from high school.
This could help my kids. I have fourth graders, and this could help them with problem solving skills.
The thing I like about this is it's really more real world for the kids. Like, you might have a fifth grader that decides that they really like coding from doing this program, and we could translate that to a real world job, as opposed to if we're playing with a robot that you just push buttons on or something like that. That just seems like more like a toy. It has its place, but this is more real world transferable.